Hi guys, hi. I think it's time to do an update on what's been happening, and a lot has been happening. Now my editing program is broken, so I'm just not gonna be able to edit this video, which it's fine because it's a vlog anyway. I haven't been in touch with you guys and updating on what's been happening, I know, so that's why I'm gonna tell you everything today. I'm actually back in Mexico in my new apartment. I will do a video about the tour and I'll show you my new apartment. I only just got here recently. I'm still getting used to the jet lag. I'm still getting used to the heat. But today's the first day where I actually felt more relaxed and I was like, oh my God, like finally I'm back here. Like I'm gonna feel happy. I don't even know where to start. Like there's so much in terms of, what's been happening. I left London, packing, Milo. I've had so many questions and I have been answering a lot of them. I think I did a vlog like recently in Latvia, but since then a lot has happened as well. A lot of you asking me what's going on with my gut and my health, and I have a whole thing to tell you. So yeah, just get yourself some tea, some coffee if you're interested. Let's just chat. Let me tell you everything. Let's catch up like old friends. I think I'll probably start with my health. That's probably majority of you guys who are doing some sort of still also suffering with your gut issues or anything like that. I just want to update you because I have done so much since I've done my updated vlog. I did a retreat on 10-day fast. Oh my God, I need to upload that vlog as well. I haven't even done that. I've been to so many more doctors, and I feel that I was chasing this answer for so long, for 2 years now, and I'm still suffering. To answer my question, no, I'm not healed yet with my gut. I still have bloating and I still have pain, but I have noticed that it's become less, in a sense that since I left London, it's definitely less. In Mexico it's actually got worse again, so I don't know if it's something to do with Mexico, maybe because I'm relaxing again, but I've been given different type of diagnoses by several doctors, and I kind of think now I know what's going on, and there is a whole bunch of stuff. So I've been told I have dysbiosis of my gut, and if you don't know what that is, it means that you have a lot more bad bacteria than good bacteria. And this is very explanatory because I had so many antibiotics, and if you watched any of my previous vlogs, that was the issue. I've taken out all my black fillings because I've told you about this. Went to the dentist, I suffered, but now I have no more black fillings left in my mouth. So if I had any mercury that was poisoning my gut, that's all gone, but I know it probably will take time. I've done my colonoscopy and endoscopy in Latvia as well. They didn't find anything there, nothing like crazy. So they said technically I'm okay, but obviously I'm not. But luckily nothing serious. But yeah, so I've been told I've got IBS, which I knew, but yeah, that's what they all say. Dysbiosis and a leaky gut syndrome. Leaky gut syndrome, again, it's not like you can't physically see it, but based on the symptoms and how I am, that's what they said I might have in the clinic when I did the fasting. So then I did my blood work as well, and I have a whole list of things that I need to take. It's almost like terrifying and embarrassing at the same time. I don't even know why, but I'm basically starting a really strict regime with a lot of pills. And now a lot of them are vitamins, and I can show you what I'm going to be taking. I haven't read everything yet because it's a really serious protocol. There's so much to take, and honestly it looks like I have a pharmacy in my kitchen right now. But the point is that I feel very positive. I feel like now that I'm in Mexico, I'm gonna focus on different things. I'm gonna focus on healing. I'm gonna focus on just listening to my body. I'm gonna take all these vitamins, and I do have to go on a drastic diet, I would say, again. You know how I've tried everything already, fasting, juicing, you name it. In the last 2 years, I've tried so many things to help my gut, but I genuinely think this is gonna help. It helped a lot of people. I joined a lot of groups, and I asked if anyone else had suffered, with anything to do with the bloating and pain. And I think a lot of my chronic pain comes from, you know, years and years of really hard work and stress and living in the environment which wasn't good for me. I didn't have any balance in my life. I didn't have anything apart from work. And I think this all goes together with antibiotics, with the lifestyle, with this and that. So it's explainable. My body is basically just rejecting everything. So yeah, I'm gonna show you what the whole list of things that I have to take. And it's very like strict in a sense, you know, it needs to be before food, after food, during the food. So I actually have a whole schedule for the next 2 to 3 months that I'm gonna do, and it's temporary, I get it. And I'm going on a carnivore diet. So if any of you ever heard of it, now carnivore diet basically means you eat protein only. I also did my food intolerance test, which I haven't done before because it was so expensive. I was like, oh my God, do I really need it? But I was like, I'm gonna get it all done. I've literally spent, I think I calculated £16,000 in the last 2 years for this. And I still don't really have like a concrete answer, but more or less I'm kind of on the right path now. So I really feel like, you know, like I'm gonna stop digging now. I'm just gonna listen to my body, take all the vitamins, do this diet. Carnivore diet is basically known for healing people. It's quite extreme for a lot of people, so I'm not saying you should do it, or, you know, do your own research. I've done a lot of research now. I've joined a lot of groups. I've been reading about it for some time now. I would say probably last 4 to 5 months. And when I did my food intolerance test, it's actually said that I have intolerance to eggs, salmon, like tuna and prawns, and these are like my favorite things. And to be honest, I've been eating eggs every day, so I'm thinking it could be that as well, causing the bloat if I'm constantly irritating my gut by eating stuff that's irritating me. So I'm cutting all of that out. I'm cutting basically everything that the tests showed that I'm intolerant to, and I'm also going on the carnivore diet. And carnivore diet means you just eat fish, seafood, and meat, any kind. You can also include dairy, just depending on which kind of carnivore you want to go to, from, you know, the where you can eat everything to the more extreme version if you need to heal. Now, the most extreme version is called like the lion one, where you just eat beef, like steak and salt and water. And I don't think I'm gonna go that drastic, but I am gonna basically eat a lot of fish, seafood, beef, like organs, and just beef, I guess. And I really want to try it. I really want to dedicate myself to it for the next 3 months. I want to see how I feel. Plus, I'll be taking all the supplements, and I just generally feel like I'm going to heal. I don't know, I just have this gut feeling. Gut feeling, did you get that? And also, I've decided to change my tactics. So before, I would go to the gym and train 4 times a week because, you know, I want to take care of my body. I want to look good. But for some reason, I'm listening to myself now, and I realized I don't want to put my body under more stress. Like, because I'm going to go on this diet, because I'm going to be taking all these supplements, I'll probably be already putting my body under a lot of stress. And so I decided to go a completely different route. You know how there's a saying, you know, if you keep doing the same thing, you're going to get the same result. So I'm thinking maybe I need to change my tactics. Maybe I need to change how I'm doing things. So I'm just going to stretch. I'm just going to do yoga. A lot of the physio people, a lot of the doctors that I saw, they said because I'm so tall, and I'm very tall, guys. I'm super tall. I know you can't see obviously in the video, but I'm very tall girl. And they said because I'm so tall, a lot of the times my stomach gets compressed. It's something to do with your posture, something to do with your height. So basically, I'm gonna do everything that I've been told that could possibly, you know, I'm going to eliminate the food, I'm going to do the stretching, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that, I'm going to do it all at once. I'm not obviously allowed to eat any gluten, dairy, sugar, because all of that also was telling me that, you know, if I have leaky gut and I want to heal, I need to get that out. I've also had some terrible news in a sense, but I've calmed myself down so I can talk about it now. But basically, I also checked my thyroid, because a lot of you suggested to check the thyroid, especially if you have bloating. And they found that I have a high amount of antibodies that are attacking my own immune system, which is not good. And I have Hashimoto's. Hashimoto's is a thyroid sort of illness or disease or whatever, which is also not good, where your body is attacking your own cells. Now, I went to see, I would say like 3 or 4 specialists after that, because, you know, I started reading about it online. I was like, oh my God, like I'm dying, you know, don't Google the symptoms. Oh my God, just don't Google them. And I did. And then I went to like 4 and so endocrinologists, and all of them confirmed, apart from the one that told me that I have Shimos, that I'm at my hormones are still okay, like nothing to worry about. Yes, I do have high antibodies and you can't like restore them, so it's on a path to get an autoimmune illness, but I don't have it just yet. And if I change my lifestyle, if I change my diet, if I change this and this and this, which I'm gonna do, then I can heal. Then a lot of them said that you can't heal, it's an autoimmune, whatever, you can't heal. But I choose to believe that I can. Everything is in your mind and you can heal yourself. So yeah, I did get upset, but now I'm not upset because I realized, our body is so connected, like everything is connected, right? So all your issues start from your gut. For me personally, it was all from food poisoning, traveling and food poisoning in all the Asian countries. Unfortunately, it was all the antibiotics, all the stress that I caused myself, work-life balance, everything. And I think that whole package, lack of vitamins, this and that's all caused, issues. So I'm just basically gonna heal. I'm gonna do yoga. I'm gonna calm myself down. I'm gonna calm my body. I'm just gonna tell it it's safe. Yeah, and that's my plan. I'm gonna show you now quickly. You can see a little bit of my new apartment, but little cheeky bits. But damn it, I realized I won't be able to flip my phone because I can't edit the video for you. But I'm gonna have to probably do a separate video then on all my supplements, in case it helps me first. If it helps me, then of course I'll share with you, but I'm just gonna give you a sneak peek. Look at all that. Look at that. This is insane. This is actually insane. I mean, a lot of it is like, fish oil and magnesium and this and that, like to help me and basically restore everything in my body that's missing. I was very low in vitamin D. And by the way, apparently a lot of people are low in vitamin D. So if you're not sure, do go and check it out. Check out your blood. So yeah, guys, basically this is an update about my health, really. Just want you to wish me luck. I'm starting on Monday and I have like prebiotics, probiotics. Basically, I've got a lot of like vitamins and tablets and all of these things to restore my gut, to build up the walls, to make it all healthy, to build the good bacteria in it. I'm going to eliminate the stress. I'm going to do more yoga. I'm going to cut out the food that I'm intolerant to. And mainly I'll be probably eating, so I have a 4-day, 4-meal plan at the moment, where I'm starting my days every morning with chicken or beef broth. And then I would have three more meals throughout the day, and fish or seafood would be the last meal. And also it's a eating window as well, so it's not just randomly. I have to eat the same time every day, every single day, no exceptions, and stop eating at 5 p.m. So I am fasting also 16 hours. So it's actually very, very strict. It's gonna be very challenging, I know. So I've been mentally preparing for it because a lot has been going on. And, I've been under a lot of stress. I left London, packed up my flat. I had to say goodbye to my doggy. He's in good hands, but still, it's just been so stressful for me. And then I had to move to Latvia. Then I had to film all these courses. I have to do work. Then I tried to spend time with my family. Then I moved here. Then I tried to find an apartment. It's just like big changes are happening, and they're all stresses on your system. And so I just need to calm down. I need to chill. I need to take my time. I'm going to do things for me. I'm going to start dancing classes, which I'm very excited about. And I'm not going to focus on my stomach anymore. Like, I'm just going to let it be. I think I was so obsessed with healing and like getting better, and it was just getting frustrating because it's not. So I think I'm just going to leave it. I'm going to trust the process. I'm going to trust my body. I'm going to do everything I can, like based on the plan. And I just can't believe I'm telling you again that I'm starting this plan. It's been 2 years and I'm still at the same spot. So it is very frustrating. And I know I said that every time, that I'm like, this is the one, this is what's gonna heal me. But I think this time it's gonna happen. And after the 3 months protocol, I'm gonna start another 3 months protocol with parasites killing. So our first will, fix my system, and then I'm gonna go in with more naturopathical sort of supplements and herbs to kill the parasites in case I have some, which I did. They showed me on my stool, but oh yeah, anyway, very long video, but I'm just yeah, I'm just kind of feeling excited, nervous and relieved at the same time. And if any of you have tried carnivore diet, if any of you have figured something out about your bloating, your gut, let me know. Otherwise, yes, I will be updating you about my new life in Mexico, and I'll show you my apartment soon. Yes, hope you enjoyed this video. I am very tired today. I only slept 4 hours because I'm still not used to the jet lag, so I keep like waking up early and then going to bed late, or vice versa and stuff like that. But I'm feeling very, very positive today, and I think this is the first time in a long time I just feel relaxed. I just let go of everything, and yeah, I just hope this time it's gonna work, so fingers crossed. Anyway guys, love you loads, love you, and I'll update you on other stuff very, very soon. Bye.